If you didn't already know, iSpring Flip is now a module of the iSpring suite, which means it is included with iSpring Suite and installed within it. This awesome program converts documents into ebooks. Take a look at this book in PDF format. Overall, it looks good, but it is a little clunky and hard to read, and any PDF reader will give you the same experience. It would look much better as a real book with flipping pages. So why don't we see what iSpring Flip can do to help? To create an ebook, you can open iSpring Flip in the Quick Start menu, or in the Windows menu, as with any other application. From here, you can start from a PDF, Word document, or even PowerPoint presentation. Select Browse to find your file. Awesome, here's my book. From this window, you get a full overview of your book. You can navigate through the pages using the thumbnails or the arrows at the bottom. You can also get a zoomed-in view of your page with this hand zoom bar over here. Let's take a look at what Flip has already done for our ebook. Just check out the preview up top. Wow, see that amazing page turn animation that's been added? That looks so much better already. If you feel the need to compare your old PDF to this new flipbook, you can switch back and forth between them with this book icon below. You can also preview what your book will look like on different devices. As you can see, depending on your device and its orientation, iSpring Flip will adapt your book content as well as the player controls for the optimal viewing experience. Once you are satisfied with how your ebook looks, you can go ahead and publish. I am super happy with mine. Now I just have to decide my publication output. I can choose to publish directly to my computer, which will give me a file that I can then upload to the platform of my choosing. iSpring Flip also allows publication directly to an LMS if you want to use this ebook for training. You can choose any format that your LMS supports, like the most popular standard, SCORM 1.2 and 2004, Experience API, or CMI5. There are also a couple of built-in options for one-click publishing. iSpring Learn LMS, which offers advanced reporting and gamification features, and iSpring Cloud Sharing Service, which lets you instantly share interactive content like flipbooks and PowerPoint presentations online. I'm going to stick with my computer today. Here, I can choose a title and destination folder, as well as my output options. iSpring Play is a free mobile app that your users can use to download and view your ebook when there is no internet connection. I always like to have this selected. You can choose your quality settings here by selecting a preset or choosing your own settings. I like to make sure my ebook is going to be as high a quality as possible. In additional settings, you can password protect your book. I want to restrict access for my publication. You can also enable text editing and viewing from a local drive. Because some browsers restrict you to viewing content locally, this creates a copy of the book that can be viewed from a flash drive, hard drive, CD, or DVD. Now all you have to do is select Publish. Yay, it's ready! From here you can open the folder it has been saved in, email it, upload it to FTP, or create a zipped version of it, or of course you can view it in a browser to see how it looks. Since I opted to password protect my book, I have to enter the password now. Wow, that looks so much better than a plain PDF. I don't know about you, but I'm never going to publish an ebook without putting it through iSpring Flip again.